What's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Dodge in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore, we have this 2014 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab with a 5-foot box in solid black, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine under the hood. Come to the front here, you have your Projector Style Headlamps lighting up the road in front of you with your high beam and your LED running lights. Of course, you have that chrome inside the grille. Is a color matching grille with your beautiful Ram badge there in the middle. You have the bug deflector on the front of the hood, and you have 2 fog lamps on your front bumper. Front and rear bumpers are color matching, and so are the mirrors. Come over to the side here, the 2014 Ram 1500 Sport is running on 20-inch Goodyear Wrangler mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction on alloy rims, and you have 4-wheel disc brakes all around, and both driver and passenger sides do have chrome running boards, which will make it that much easier to get inside this truck. Both driver and passenger side door mirrors have built-in LED turn signal lights, and they are breakaway mirrors. And you have heated mirrors too, so you can heat them up, defrost them, and see what's beside you. Color matching door handles on the outside in all 4 doors, and you have tinted windows as well. Open up the driver's side door here. Here is your door panel. You have storage down below with 2 cup holders, storage in the middle, nice place to rest your arm. You have your power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows are automatic, and you have power folding in mirrors. Press this button here, and the mirrors will fold right in for you. Press it again, they fold back out. Very handy if you're trying to park in a tight parking spot. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. You do have leather seating throughout, adjustable headrests on the front seats, and you have adjustable seatbelt height, so depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust those so you're most comfortable. And you have a power sunroof up above. You have a pocket on the side of the middle console here for many different things. Nice big Ram badge in the middle. Grab this chrome handle, you have a change holder, you have your manual in here, and you have cutouts on both sides for cords, because you can plug cords into the USB port, the auxiliary port, and you also have another USB port there. Yeah, you might have cords running through here, so if you do, you can put them along the sides here, so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Close this up, grab a little lower. You have a large storage compartment down below, a little spot there for some things as well. 2 big cup holders in the middle, large storage compartment down below, cell phone holder, and you have a 12-volt DC power outlet there. Piano black styling touches on the front, as well as the top, and you also have a Ram logo up there and a little spot for some things. You have a leather-wrapped steering wheel. Feels absolutely beautiful in your hands. You have a tilt steering wheel as well. You have your automatic headlamps here, so you can set it and forget it with your dimmer switch, your fog light button, and your box lights. You have a directional air vent here, which you can close and open. Handle here, so you, the driver, can easily get inside the driver's seat. One thing you'll notice is that you have WeatherTech heavy-duty mats throughout this truck as well. Come back here, move on to the back seat area. Storage down below, storage in the middle, nice place for your arm, power window switch. Passengers in the back have handles that they can grab onto, so they can easily get inside this truck as well. Pocket on the back of the driver's seat, directional air vents in the middle, which your passengers can adjust. 12-volt DC power outlet there, nice big Ram badge, 2 big cup holders in the middle. You have a fold-down armrest with 2 more cup holders there for you. Adjustable headrests in the back seat too. Hooks up above so you can hang up nice clothing if you're going to a nice event, so your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. LED interior lighting. You got extra speakers up above connected to your Alpine Sound System. The seats fold up for you, and you have a fold-out gate here. You can put things underneath or on top for storage, and they easily flip back. Lift these up. You have storage underneath, and you have a clip here too, so you can clip it up, and now it is secure. And underneath these heavy-duty WeatherTech mats are insulated in-floor storage areas, so you can put ice in there and keep cans of Coke, bottles of water cold, and if it gets dirty, you can move it and clean it. And you have LED lighting on the bottom of the seats, which at nighttime light up the feet area for you, so you can see exactly where your feet are. For safety, you have airbags built into the side pillars here. Come back here. This is where you put gasoline inside the Ram 1500. Very nice. You have mud flaps behind all 4 tires, which will protect your truck. You have dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around them, LED tail lamps. You have your spot for your trailer hitch down below, right there. with connections so you can hook up a trailer or power any aftermarket devices that you want to do so with your Ram 1500. Your backup camera is built into your tailgate handle right there. Nice 4x4 badge, Ram badge there for you. Open up the tailgate. You have spray and bed liner, and you have hooks in all four corners so you tie it on your load so you don't lose anything when you're driving down the highways. And this is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on your key fob. All the doors will lock, including your tailgate. Come to the other side here, you'll see your chrome running board is looking absolutely beautiful. Might as well show you the other side of the back seat. Yes, storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for your arm, power window switch. Absolutely beautiful styling. Yes, you do have chrome door handles on all four doors on the inside. Your insulated in-floor storage area that is removable right there. This side also flips up for you. And you have the fold-out gate here. Put things underneath or on top for storage. And you have two cutouts for the cup holders, which is a clever touch. And underneath here, you have your subwoofer connected to your Alpine Sound System, neatly placed underneath the seat. And if you don't want people to see your subwoofer, you have the clip here too, so you can clip it up and secure it. Now no one will know that there's a subwoofer unless they can tell through the impressive sound quality that the Alpine Sound System puts off. There's your handle. Front passenger side here. Passenger seat is manual adjustment, and under the passenger seat you do have your tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. You have airbags built into the seats for safety as well. If you ever see this tag, that means you have airbags built in. Pocket on the side of the middle console there. Lower glove box here with some goodies in there for you. And you have an upper glove box with a convenience light. Lots of space for many different things. Spot for some pens or packs of gum. Your directional air vent here, which you can close and open. And a handle here so your front passenger, maybe your girlfriend or your wife, can easily get inside this truck. Power locks, power window switch. Absolutely beautiful styling. Storage down below with two cup holders. And storage in the middle. I love the interior of this truck. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. All right, so now I'm sitting in the driver's seat of the 2014 Ram 1500 Sport, and here is your key fob. You have an unlock button, lock button, remote start, and a panic button, and it says Ram on the back, looking good. So using your key fob here, go over the right, push the key fob into the ignition, turn it. That fires up the Ram 1500 for you. The tachometer, the speedometer, all the gauges look very nice, and I like that Ram badge at the top there. That's looking really good. And the first thing you'll see, you only have 39,061 kilometers on this truck. Not too bad. So come down to Crosstown Dodge today and see if this is going to be your next everyday driver. And using buttons on the left side of your steering wheel here, we can go through our driver information center screen. And first you'll see you have a digital speedometer, which you can change the miles per hour if you're going to the States. You have your vehicle info, it tells you oil life, full on gauge summary, engine hours, tire pressures, transmission temperature, oil temperature, and back to your oil life. You have your fuel economy area, lets you know your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, your average liters per 100 kilometers. Feel free to reset that whenever you want. Trip A calculator and Trip B calculators, they both tell you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, your average vehicle speed, and the time you've been driving for, and you reset those very easily, both of them, by using the button here. There you go. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media center. And right now we're on SiriusXM Venus. Message center in case your Ram 1500 wants to tell you something. Screen setup here so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. You have a compass in the top left corner, outside thermometer top right corner, some blank spaces down below. Go in the settings here and you customize the screen and have it say what you want to say. And back to your digital speedometer. And if you open any door on this Ram truck, we'll let you know which door on the truck is open. And you have voice recognition. Press the voice recognition button here. Cancel.
Cancelled.
Using voice recognition, you can change the source of your media between iPod, Bluetooth, satellite radio, and all that fun stuff, which is really cool. And you have another button right here, which will assist you in answering calls that come through your Bluetooth system. Nice big Ram badge in the middle with, of course, your horn. Very loud horn. Cruise control on the right with your gear selection buttons up above. And behind the steering wheel, you have steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. You have a rotary style gear shifter right here. Throw the Ram into reverse. Your backup camera appears on your touchscreen Uconnect system, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to be backing up. Cool. Push button 4-wheel drive down below with 4x4 auto, which is handy to have. Little storage compartment down below. You have a 115 volt AC power outlet here. A great spot for some small things. Directional air vents in the middle, which you can close and open. Close and open. You may have noticed this styling on the doors too, and you have it here in the middle. It's like a dark chrome, and it's all through the interior, and I think it actually looks so nice. Up above here, you have your Alpine Sound System logo, letting everybody know that you have that fantastic audio system. Great stitching on the dashboard. You have your physical buttons down below here for your driver and passenger heated seats, the heated steering wheel, traction control, and your tow/home mode. You have dual climate control. You adjust the temperatures here, driver's temperature, passenger temperature, front defrost. This will turn on your heated mirrors and your rear window defroster. You have the auto feature, which allows the Ram 1500 to adjust your climate control for you. You have your air conditioning and your recirculate button there. Tuning knob, browse button, back button to help you guide through your system. You have your hazards here. You can turn the screen off if you don't want to look at it. Press it again, it comes back on for you. Volume knob, mute button. And here is our touchscreen Uconnect system. And if I turn up the volume, you can hear the great sound quality. Wow, that sounds so good. Nice. Turn it back down like this, or you can press the mute button. You can direct tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to. It tells you the song and the artist that's playing on your system. You can favorite your favorite songs or artists that come on SiriusXM. You have your presets up above. Hold it with your finger. You can set a preset, AM, FM radio there. You can adjust your audio. You have your balance fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, and surround sound mode there. Nice. You can replay and all that fun stuff on SiriusXM. The info bar up top tells you what the temperatures are set at for both dual climate control. You have a clock, outside thermometer, and a compass there. And if any of your favorite songs or artists on the air, this will come up right there, and you can click on it, and I'll let you know which songs are playing. Media button here. So if you have something plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, a Bluetooth device connected, or something in the SD card for it, don't forget they are down in here for you. Go here and you can listen to all your favorite tunes. Touchscreen controls for both driver and passenger heated seats, your mirror dimmer, your heated steering wheel, and you have settings there as well. Touchscreen controls for your dual climate control. You can adjust where you want the air to go by the touch of a finger. Adjust your fan speed. You can sync and unsync the temperatures. Set the temperature with just your finger. Now that is really cool. Turn on your air conditioning and all that fun stuff all right there for you. And you can turn off the climate control. Bluetooth area, would I like to take the phone? That's okay. I'll let you take the phone. You make hands-free calls. Everything you do on your phone, make a call. You can do hands-free on your touchscreen Uconnect system right here. And you can view recent calls, view your phone book, and you can pair more than one device as well. So much you can do right there. And here we have our settings for our touchscreen Uconnect system and your Ram 1500. So you can customize the truck to be the way that you want it to be. And that's really cool. And you have so many settings that you can adjust all right there. If you have any devices connected, we'll let you know up above if you have any devices connected as well. Press the radio button and it takes you right back onto the radio. Fold down sun visor up above with a convenience mirror with convenience lights, and it is a breakaway sun visor, auto dimming rear view mirror, programmable garage door opener up above, so you can pair that with your garage at home and press the buttons. You can open up your garage door. You have your switch for your rear sliding window right here, so you can easily open it up and close it back up again, just like that. And you have push button reading lamps up above. Of course, they are LED. And you have your buttons here for your power sunroof. Just press it once and your power sunroof opens right up before your eyes, like so. Lets in lots of fresh air and lots of sunlight. And to close it back up, it's also one touch. So just press the button once and it closes back up for you. Sweet. Passenger sun visor also comes down and has a convenience mirror with convenience lights, and it is a breakaway sun visor. And you have tons of visibility out the front window. And in front of me is Crosstown Service Express Center. Great people, great service, and an overall great time. The interior is luxurious, spacious, modern. Just an overall joy to look at and very well laid out. Be sure to come check it out sometime. You have LED lights on the bottom of the mirrors that light up when you open up the door, and they automatically shut off. Those LED lights will light up the ground before you so you can see where you're walking. It's a 2014 Ram 1500 Sport in a solid black color, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine under the hood. It is a crew cab configuration truck with the 5-foot box on the back with chrome running boards, Bluetooth, and so much more. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.